So today I've got the task of cleaning this oil palette up. It's got several weeks of dried on oil paint and fresh oil paint. It is advisable to clean the palette at the end of each painting session so that the paint is not dried and it's a lot easier. So I'll be doing that from now on, but seeing I haven't, I want to share my scrubbing experience. I'm using a palette knife to scrape off as much of the oil paint as possible. And then I'm putting it into paper towel. So I've got some white spirit. Now I'll just go over the surface and leave it to sit for about 5 minutes. So after about 5 minutes, the paint has started to come off and can be scraped off further with the palette knife. Once the paint has been scraped off, and as you can see it's quite flat, I'm going to use the remnants of my solvent, walnut oil, and Sennelier Green. So this not only cleans but conditions the wood. Now I'm going to use some sugar soap. Give this a final good clean. I'm going to use some washing up liquid. This is my palette now, after much scrubbing and cleaning. So remember, it is vital to clean your palette after a day's painting to save you so much effort as I had to put in today. It is so much easier to clean undried paint and you'll get much better results, and you won't have to wait for the board to dry again to start using it.